What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shysharay back from another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you are returning to my channel, welcome back. So I know you see that title and you see that thumbnail and you like, what's going on? Like, girl, why you making meal plans for the week? What's up? So y'all, within my 14 days of working out, of being consistent every day, I have lost 8 pounds. Your girl lost 8 pounds. So while I was working out and doing that, I was just staying consistent with like drinking a lot of water, staying away from sweets, still eating what I wanted to eat, but just eating very smaller portions than what I normally get. So instead of getting like 6 chicken fingers, we're gonna get 3 chicken fingers. You know, I just been, dropping down the amount of things that I eat. So since I lost the 8 pounds in 13 days, I thought, why not do the meal plans and see how much you can lose in a week with just doing your meal plans and having a smoothie in the morning time. Let's see how that goes. So as we all know that subscribe to my channel is not a cooking channel, but I thought that I would just bring you along with, it can go under lifestyle with what I'm going to be eating in a week. So what I eat in a week, and this is going to be my meal plan that I'll be doing. So I'm not really going to talk while I'm doing my meal plans because it's too much. So if I'm not mistaken, I started my journey on February 18th. I don't know if that's right. I think it was February 18th. Hold on. So I started my journey on February the 19th. That's what it was. It was the 19th. So, I forgot what's today's date. So I was going to flip the camera and show you guys what my stomach is looking like right now. The only reason why I'm not going to show you guys is because it's that time of the month. I just can't get enough of it. Every month it's here, it's ketchup. It's annoying. But I'm just wanting to tell you guys that I'm really proud of myself. And if you want to lose weight, get up, you can do it. I noticed that my face fat is going down. Like when I'm talking, like I don't look like this no more. It's progressing, okay? You look a lot better if you get this eyelash off your eye, you feel me? So towards the end of the video, when I'm about to close it out, I will talk to you guys about some more of why I chose to really start this journey. And I will, it's too bright. I will add some pictures in for you guys if you would like. So this is just the beginning of my journey. Like I said, I lost 8 pounds in 13 days. So today is day 14. So after I do my meal plans, I will head to the gym. just woke up, so don't be trying to judge me because I literally woke up, cut the camera on so I could finish this video, and I'm talking to y'all. So don't be coming for me about, girl, you got one lash on each eye. You got mind your business. With that being said, I did want to come on here and talk to you guys about my weight loss journey and how it's going. So like I told you guys, within 13 days, I did lose 8 pounds. And with my cycle being on, it makes it even worse because it's like I look so bloated. But so much of my fat has completely transformed and went down. So I have a couple of products that I'm about to try this week that will arrive on Tuesday. And another product is something that I made that I'm working on. And so far, it's been doing like really, really good. So I'm planning to give you guys like some stomach picture updates. So in the next video, I think I will insert in because I'll be off my cycle, I believe tomorrow. Because yesterday you could tell my face was really bumpy. Today my bumps and stuff are going down, so that's how I know I'm about to get off. Sorry if that's too much information, but I think I got all girls on my channel, so I mean whatever. But yeah, y'all, I'm super duper excited. Like, if I lost 8 pounds in 13 days, my goal is to lose like 5 pounds this week with this meal plan. And I'm just so excited. Like, it's so crazy. Like, I'm super excited about this because y'all just don't understand. So I will throw some before pictures of what I was looking like on the screen, so you can get a taste of like what I've been looking like 2020 and stuff. But with 2021 like falling in place, and it's March, and I started this journey on February, it's like your girl's body is already looking good. So as y'all can see, your girl has her meal plan right here. I'm getting ready to grab in. But before I start on my food, I just want to let you guys know to please, but ladies, honestly, remember that you can do any and everything that you put your mind to. Whatever that you desire, you can do it. Honestly, like, just really believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Really, it took a lot of work and a lot of dedication for me to say, Cheyenne, it's time for you to get up. It's time for you to lose this weight. It's time for you to do this. And like, I've been backwards and forth with it. 1 minute I'll be dedicated to it, the second minute I'll just be completely gone. But like, for some reason this time it just snapped, and it's like, girl, you getting older, and the time is ticking. And I keep saying that I need to have sand on my buns. And what I mean by sand on my buns is that my birthday is in August, so I'm trying to be on somebody's beach, boo, okay? I need sand on the buns. I mean sand on the booty, okay? Period. But with that being said, yes, your girl's on the toilet. I'm getting ready to wash my hair and edit this video. So with that being said, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, cut that notification bell so that you don't miss out on no uploads. Because everything I talk about is complete facts. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So, bye. Oh, yeah, and by the way, I'm working on my outro. I'm just waiting on this girl to finish it, but I'm waiting on it, okay? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.